I was sanding and preparing the surface in order to be able to bound now. And now I will go back with some fast hardener in order to put under the track, between the track and the aft face of the mast, and with some ratchet in order to keep the track against the mast.
Sinon je vais ouvrir le truc, on va pousser, puis on va mélanger à la main. C'est aussi rapide, non?
Yes. This afternoon is not perfect. There is some small wave and it moves a lot when you are 15 meters over the deck, but I think Kevin is doing a good job. Not an easy one, but a good one.
Even if it's not big waves, it's still moving him quite a bit, and it's nothing to hold on to there. So it's very hard when he's doing that small, he's now trying to clean it off. But he's doing a very nice job, I think, from what I can see. Now we just need to make sure it's a good bond, and then we have to wait for that to cure. We have to make sure it's clean, so the cars on the track actually work after as well. That intermediate car that are there is now a little bit glued, I think, so that could be a problem later on as well. I think it'll be alright.
Sometimes, you know, you try to take off the stuff, there is a wave, the wind is taking the bond back on the track. Happy it's not the best job in the world, but happy it's down. No, it's post-curing with the sun. We need to know very soon that it works or not, because we've got a tropical storm arriving tomorrow, so obviously we'll need to take a risk. So we need it to work. Finger crossed. Otherwise, we stop in Mauritius for 2 weeks in order to clean the boat and to repair everything, which is also a good alternative, I think.